Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will see how to solve a simultaneous linear equations. So let's start with the first example, which I have written here on the board. And there are two methods to solve simultaneous linear equations. One method is called elimination method, other is called substitution method. Now before that, I would like you to focus on the word simultaneous linear equations. Equations you understand, right? These are equations. Linear, when the power is 1. This is called linear because you have seen equations like this also, right? Or it may have y also. So these are called non-linear equations. So we are learning how to solve simultaneously linear equations in this video, okay? Now, methods I have told you there are two methods, elimination and substitution. So I have taken the very basic question here in which the coefficient is 1. If you see here in equation number 1, let me give them name. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2 and I'm solving them simultaneously. If you see the coefficient here is 1, that's why it is not written here. You can have any other number also here. We will solve those type of questions also. So right now in this question, the coefficient is 1. So this is the basic concept, basic one. So first of all, I'm doing elimination method. Once you see that the coefficient of a variable is same, you can add the equation or subtract the equation. Now what will you do here? First of all, let me decide I'm eliminating x or I'm eliminating y. Because in both the cases, the coefficient is 1. So suppose I am eliminating x. Okay, so what I will do here, I will see the sign with these x coefficient. This is plus and this is also plus. When the sign is same and you have to eliminate them, you subtract the equation, right? When you subtract the equation, what happens? The sign of the equation changes. This plus changes into minus. This minus changes into plus and this plus 3 changes into minus. Maybe you are thinking why, so I'll explain it to you why. Let me explain it to you first. This was my equation 1 and this was my equation 2. When I say subtract the two equations, because initially the sign of x is same, okay, I'm using the word same. So when we subtract, if you see horizontally, what I am doing here, right? Did you notice what did I do? I have subtracted equation 1, equation 2 from equation 1, right? So what happens here? If you notice, the sign changes, yes or no? The sign of this x is changed to minus. The sign of this y changed to plus. The sign of 3 changes to minus. So that's why, because we do not show this working, this is understood thing. So that's why we subtract the signs. Now plus x minus x will cancel out. Plus y and this is plus y will become 2y. And 7 minus 3 will be 4. So it will become y is equals to 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So I got the value of y 2. I have to find the value of x also. You can plug in equation 1 or in equation 2. Suppose I plug in equation 1. So always mention here which equation you are using. So I will substitute this value of y here. So it will become 7 minus 2, which is 5. So my answer will be 5, 2. Right? Let me take another question so that you can get clear idea. Okay. Let me take one more example. Suppose x minus 3y is equals to 7. X minus y equals to 3. I will still be doing elimination method and afterward I will solve substitution method. Okay, so I'm calling this equation 1 and equation 2. Again I will see, is there a variable which has same coefficient? So yes, x has same coefficient, 1 and 1. If it is not, we try to make it. That I will teach you later in the video, maybe in the second video, how to do it. So first thing you will see, if the coefficient is same, fine. Then you will see what are the signs. If signs are same, so if signs are same, then you subtract the equations. But if signs are different, one is plus, one is minus, then you add the equations. I will do that case also for you, right? Rather, what I will do, in this question originally the signs were different of y. Can you see here? Different sign. So I will solve the same question again by eliminating y to show you. Anyway, coming back to this question. So now because the sign of x is same and coefficient is same, so I will subtract the equation. And I told you, when we subtract the equation, the sign changes. So let me write it here. Always remember, do not do anything with the question. Keep their question as it is, so that if somebody wants to refer what was the original question, one can see that. So now, because I'm subtracting the two equations, the sign of the second equation will change. I'm subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Now this has plus sign and this has minus, so plus and minus will cancel out. You know that plus x and minus x cancels out. Then if you see, this is minus 3y and this is plus y. So what is minus 3y and plus y? It is minus 2y, right? So this is minus 2y. What is 7 minus 3? Is 4, right? So it will be y equals to 4 divided by minus 2, which is minus 2. So you got the value of y. Now to get the value of x, you can use any equation. Suppose I am using equation 2, this one, because it has less coefficient, so it will be easy to handle. So x minus y equals to 3. The value of y is minus 2, which I will plug in here. Don't forget to put this bracket. This is the common mistake made, so be very careful. Minus times minus is plus. So it will be x is equals to 3 minus 2, x is equals to 1. So my answer is 1 comma minus 2, right? So this is the answer of question number 2. Now, by the way, what is the meaning graphically? It means graphically, if you solve these two equations, plot them. I'm just doing roughly here, right? Not exactly. So answer 1 minus 2 mean 1 is here and minus 2 is here, okay? So it means the two lines which you have solved simultaneously must be meeting at this point. This is the meaning of the question. The two lines which you have solved simultaneously meeting at the point 1 comma minus 2. Okay, so this video is getting longer. So in the next video, I will solve a question in which the coefficient has different sign. Okay, so link I will give you in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.